welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to list private shares on EquityZen's secondary market. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to list private shares on EquityZen in your secondaries, all you gotta do is simply go and tap open your EquityZen and simply get logged in into your account or create a free account on it. So once you have signed up, you need to add an equity. You need to go and tap open in equity holdings and tap on add equity. Now indicate your intent. Fill out the electronic form to state you want to sell it, including the quantity of shares and your desired price. Now you need to simply look after the market opportunity and find a buyer as well. Now you need to wait for a company approval, and once your buyer is found, you can simply close the deal. Now you need to make in consideration about the company permission, transaction time, price fluctuation, and accredited investors as well. So this is how you can simply do it. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.